Welcome to the village of TBS, a village with a diversity of nature and culture, a village with hospitality and full of attraction, a village that will make your life journey full of color, and a village that will make you a part of the family.
TBS village consists of 7 hamlets. Each hamlet has its own characteristic. There are interesting visit and study. Once you go to TBS, you will never forget the memories here, and you won't even wanna go home.
The first novel is the Kampung Inggris TBS. For the first time, TBS pioneered the Kampung Inggris, which is a place to learn English with an interesting method, very good quality and fun learning. So it feels like playing a game. If Pare has a Kampung Inggris, then TBS has an even more complete. The Kampung Inggris is in the village that has many tourist destinations.
In addition to the English village, TBS also has Kampung Agriculture. Here, we will see the process of agricultural processing with natural and simple concepts, such as Anggaro, Reas, Lowong, Bagabah, etc. There is also a very unique residential area.
It also contains a lot of rural community activities that are integrated with local wisdom and awik-awik, so that social life runs smoothly. I'll say it's so and really interesting village to visit.
Well, in TBS there is also Kampung Adat dan Budaya, a family in one source who comes from noble, so that it adheres to the procession and Sasak rule since the royal era.
Here, you can find all kinds of popular Sasak activities such as gendang belik, berisian, ngelayar, etc. Of course, by prioritizing the concept of social and cultural life. TBS looks very authoritative in the eyes of the world.
In addition, in this village there is also waterfall, Pancar Kumbi, and some mystical things that are very interesting to learn, because the traditional authority is maintained, so that it becomes an area that's highly respected by many people.
Not only that, in TBS there is a Kampung Buah. Why is it called that? In this village there are various kinds of fruits, but only raw and ripe fruit, but also many processed fruits. Beautiful and natural, unspoiled nature. Of course, this is a very interesting thing to visit.
Kampung Buah is also the path to Sangkarang Mountains. All kinds of our needs when you want to go to Sangkarang Mountains, everything is prepared here, starting from outdoor equipment to food supplies and so on.
And no less interestingly, in TBS there is also Kampung Aren. Area bordering the mountain is a very rich palm trees. Besides that, sugar palms are also managed and treated very well, ranging from fresh aren, hot aren coffee, aren syrup to the brown sugar.
Well, in Kampung Aren, there is also a camping ground zona called Bukit Aren. The location is very beautiful and can even be reached by beginner trekkers. The natural view and the beautiful nightlife of Southern Lombok complete this hill. So, we say it again, it's very interesting to visit.